How to see received friend request history on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look for a method on how we can see the friend request list or history on your Facebook. So let's get started. It is very easy, but before following those steps, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So the first thing I want you to do is open your Facebook and of course make sure you are logged in. After that, tap on your profile at the top right and go to your settings. After getting here, I want you to scroll down a bit until you get this option called activity log under your activity. Just tap on it and you will be able to see this kind of interface. I want you to scroll down a bit and you will be able to see the connections option. Just drop down this option and here on the very first option you will be able to see friends. Just tap on friends and here you can see the option called friend request received. Just tap on this option and here you will be able to see the bunch of friend requests that you have received. You will be able to see the history of the friend requests that you have received here by just going and following this step. So therefore, you need in this way you can see received friend request history on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.